Keeping your CPU cool is more important than ever in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, the right CPU cooler ensures peak performance, stability under load, and longer hardware lifespan. Today we're checking out the best CPU coolers of 2025, from air coolers with dual towers to high-end liquid A, IOS with AR, GB, and LCD displays. We'll cover compatibility, cooling performance, and unique features, so you can choose the perfect cooler for your build. First up is the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE, a dual 120mm PWM fan air cooler with 6 heat pipes and AGHP technology, compatible with AMD AM4/AM5 and Intel LGA1150/1200/1700/1700/1851. This cooler packs serious performance in a compact form factor. In real-world testing, the Peerless Assassin 120 SE kept my CPU under heavy load with low noise levels, even during long gaming or rendering sessions. The dual fan design provides excellent airflow, and the 6 heat pipes dissipate heat efficiently. It's perfect for anyone who wants high-end air cooling without dealing with liquid loops or complex installation. If you want a reliable, high-performance air cooler for both Intel and AMD CPUs, the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE is a solid choice. Check the description below for the link. Next, we have the Thermalright Royal Pretor 130 Black, a dual-tower air cooler with 6 heat pipes and dual PWM fans. It's compatible with AM4/AM5 and Intel LGA1151/1200/1700/1851. This cooler is perfect for high TDP CPUs, providing excellent heat dissipation with a sleek black finish. The dual fan design ensures airflow across both towers, keeping temperatures low even under intense workloads. During testing, the Royal Pretor 130 maintained low CPU temps under prolonged gaming, streaming, and content creation. It's large, but the performance justifies the size. If you want a dual-tower air cooler with excellent performance and style, the Thermalright Royal Pretor 130 Black is perfect. Check the description below for the link. For a more compact solution, the Scythe Mugen 6 is a single-tower air cooler that doesn't compromise on performance. Compatible with Intel LGA1700, LGA1151, and AM5/AM4, it features a 120mm PWM fan and aluminum top cover for durability and aesthetics. The Mugen 6 is easy to install and provides excellent cooling for mainstream CPUs, making it a versatile option for mid-range builds. In testing, it kept my CPU stable under heavy workloads while remaining quiet. It's perfect for builders who want good performance in a smaller footprint without going full dual tower or liquid cooling. If you need a compact, reliable air cooler, the Scythe Mugen 6 is ideal. Check the description below for the link. Now, let's talk liquid cooling with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360A RGB. This AIO cooler features 3 120mm fans, a 38mm radiator, a PWM pump, and an additional VRM fan for extreme cooling. Compatible with AM4/AM5 and Intel LGA1700/1851, it's perfect for high-performance CPUs. In real-world testing, the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 kept my CPU ice-cold under heavy overclocking while maintaining minimal noise levels. The ARGB lighting adds style without being distracting, and the 360mm radiator ensures superior heat dissipation. This cooler is ideal for gamers and creators who need maximum performance and reliability. If you want a high-end AIO cooler with excellent thermal performance, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360A RGB is a must-have. Check the description below for the link. Finally, the Thermalright Grand Vision 240A RGB is an innovative AIO liquid cooler featuring dual PWM fans at 2,150 RPM and a 3.4-inch IPS LCD display with 480 by 480 resolution for customizable visuals. Compatible with AM5 and Intel LGA1700/1851, this cooler is both functional and stylish. In testing, the Grand Vision 240 maintained excellent CPU temperatures, even under stress tests, while the LCD display added a unique visual element to my build. The ARGB fans and high-quality pump complete the premium feel. This cooler is perfect for enthusiasts and builders who want top-tier cooling performance combined with aesthetic flair. If you want premium liquid cooling with a customizable LCD display, the Thermalright GrandVision 240 ARGB is an outstanding choice. Check the description below for the link. No matter your build or CPU, there's a cooler for every need in 2025. Check the description below for links to all these top CPU coolers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you'd choose.